everyone, it's Miss Allison. I hope you're having a fantastic day. All right, guys, so we're going to take a look. Monday and Tuesday of this week are just a little bit different in what we're doing in English class. So let's take a look at your schedule so you know where you need to be and when. So you guys are going to take a formative on the first two sections of Seedfolks, or chapters 1 through 6 through Sam, okay? So here's how that's going to work. One day next week will be just dedicated to that formative, doing my absolute best work there. The other day will be dedicated to continuing your reading in Seedfolks. We are still going to follow the schedule you're normally meeting me with. We're just going to combine a little bit there, okay? So if you are not working on the formative, you're going to move on to that next chapter and wait till the next day to start your formative. All right, I hope that makes sense. So look at our schedule right here. On Monday, all of the red and yellow group are going to meet in the general channel together on Teams for a quick 10-minute group huddle. We'll go over directions, check in with each other, see how we're doing, and then I'll answer any questions you might have. Off you go to take that formative. You are done once you've taken that formative. All right? Again, if I am not in those groups, then I'm going to continue my reading in Seedfolks. Fantastic. Then Tuesday, same thing. Blue and purple, we're all going to combine in one big meeting in the general channel on Microsoft Teams. We will do the same thing. We'll do our group huddle. This is the day that you are taking the formative. All right? So you don't need to worry about it until Tuesday. So you're going to go over the directions with me. We'll check in, answer questions. Off you go. You'll take that formative. By that point, you will have read a bonus chapter, but we're just going to be quizzed on chapters 1 through 6. I hope that makes sense. All right, guys? Remember, it's going to be open note, open book. So any resources that I have given you, you are welcome to use. And it will be a pretty easy formative, I think, just to check in on your progress. All right, cool. If you have any questions, please, please, please reach out. I want to make sure you get to the right place at the right time. And I'm super excited to be seeing you guys and see how you're doing. Have a great rest of your day.